Hi, I'm Amelia, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'll be talking about using thermal styling tools.
One of the things I see a lot of new designers using is a flat iron to curl with. And it's really great because it gives a completely different look than a curling iron. A curling iron gives a nice round curl, whereas a flat iron actually gives a little bit more of a square curl. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So again, you take a section of hair. It's all in the wrist. Bring it in kind of upside down. It's going to feel a little awkward at first. And then you twist the flat iron. And then use your finger just to spin it around. We'll do that again. So you grab the section of hair, go upside down like this, twist. Now the faster you twist, the looser the curl. And I'll show you an example of that. The faster you pull. So you see, that was a very loose curl. Whereas this we did real slow, and this one even slower, and you see how tight that is. So again, one more time. Grab your section, and I'm going to do this one slow. Go in, twist, and there you get your curl. So remember, it's all in the wrist. Go in, twist, and pull. And that's how you curl with a flat iron.